Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best solar porch lights in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Sunface Solar Porch Lights. Sunface is a highly popular brand of solar lights since most of its offerings are quite feature-rich, including its solar porch lights given here in this list, which is one of the most versatile options out there. The Sunface Solar Porch Light comes at the first position of this list since this is the perfect option if you want something versatile in terms of the colors and lighting mode that it offers. But most importantly, this solar porch light comes as a pack of 6 lights in the box where all of them are full-sized lights. These solar porch lights also have a water resistance rating of IP65 for pretty amazing protection. You also get a decent battery life of up to 8 hours with this solar porch light considering its given colors. To be exact, you will be glad to know that this solar porch light offers a total of 7 colors to the user. You even get various lighting modes and light sensors in this solar porch light, making it great for decorative uses. Number 2. Our second best pick is Brightone Solar String Lights. You can also consider Brightone and its solar lighting products if you are looking for options like its solar porch light, which is the best option given here when it comes to using a solar light for decorating your porch. Brightone Solar Porch Light comes at the second position of this listicle as it is the best option given here for all those who want decorative solar lights for installing their porch. To make this possible, it uses a string-like design that uses a total of 25 lights, which is much higher than others. Even though it is a string light with a large number of lights, all of these lights are rated for IP44 water resistance protection, which is always handy to have. One of the best things about this solar porch light is that you get a superb battery life of up to 16 hours from it on a single charge. Because these solar porch lights are made for decorating purposes, it uses a great-looking 2700K color temperature, which is combined along with a total of 4 lighting modes which look quite great when combined with this 29 feet long string solar porch light. Number 3. Our third best pick is Maggift 2-pack Solar Wall Lantern. Even though Maggift is quite a small brand of solar-powered products when compared with other options, it is still a great option for many thanks to its given affordable price tag for which it offers quite a lot to the user. Maggift's solar porch light can be an excellent option for many buyers out there since not only is it the cheapest option given here, making it superb for buyers on a tight budget, but it also happens to be highly durable and reliable. As for the number of lights that you get in the box, this solar porch light also comes as a pair of solar lights. However, you do not get any water resistance rating with these solar porch lights despite their watertight construction since they are highly affordable. Because these solar porch lights are rated for just 15 lumens of brightness output, they offer quite an amazing battery life of up to 10 hours, which is pretty high for the given price. As for the color of these solar porch lights, they offer a warm color output of 3000K color temperature. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is JACKYLED LED Solar Lights. JACKYLED is a highly reputable brand of LED products which are generally highly powerful and ideal for heavy-duty usage, including its solar porch light, which is one of the brightest options available out there. The JACKYLED Solar Porch Light is the most powerful and the brightest option given here, making it a great option if you want porch lights that can also work as floodlights. You get such a high brightness output from this solar porch light as even though it is a single light, you get a total of 48 LEDs inside it which offer up to 1000 lumens of light output. Since this solar porch light is made for heavy-duty usage, you also get an IP65 water resistance rating with it for proper protection against water damage. Even with such powerful LEDs used by this solar porch light, it still offers a battery life of up to 12 hours thanks to its large 5500 mAh battery installed inside it. While this solar porch light gets mounted on the wall, it still offers superb adjustments in terms of its angles to ensure that you can light up any given area using this solar porch light. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Home Zone Security Solar Wall Lantern Lights. HomeZone offers a wide range of lighting fixtures that not only look great but also offer great functionality since most of its lighting options are solar-powered, including its solar porch light discussed here. This HomeZone solar porch light comes at the 5th position of this article because it is one of the best-looking options out there with a vintage lamp-like design. Since this solar porch light is made like old oil lamps, it comes as a pair of 2 solar porch lights, which is great for installing on either side of your front door. To ensure that you can install these solar porch lights on your porch without any worries, they come with an IP44 water resistance rating as well. Unfortunately, these solar porch lights from HomeZone do not mention any rating for its battery life, which can be an issue for many. That being said, these solar-powered porch lights do look quite great thanks to a given color temperature of 3000 K. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.